Hey, what's going on? It is Nick with Us versus Herd Tuesday. Market's dipping down a little bit. S&P's down 24, Dow's down 216, Nasdaq down 103. Gonna see what we're doing today. For here right now, say what up, drop a like, definitely appreciate it. Retail sales came in this morning, worse than expected, 1.1% drop versus a 0.3% drop. What was expected. Motor vehicles and parts dealers led the decline, along with clothing and sporting goods stores. Gasoline sales and eating and drinking establishments saw the biggest gains. So, kind of a weird headline. COVID fears, but eating and drinking establishments saw the biggest gains. I don't know about that. It's like. Anyways, Home Depot also had earnings. They had to have an earnings beat, but Home Depot is the expected move was plus or minus $9 on Home Depot. Right now $322, hit $318 here. I mean, coming down to like the 320 area would be at the 50-day moving average. I mean, obviously it was breaking out, but it doesn't look like it's going to be trying to tap 350 like a lot of people were estimating it was. It's going on Jeff C, Jeff L, CW. What's going on? So Home Depot looking like it's going to be coming down to that 50-day moving average and seeing what it wants to do here. And it did get a little dicey back in June. Came all the way down to 300. I mean, this was a gigantic rip. I mean, that's like pretty incredible. Walmart also reported earnings, currently flat right now. Again, not going anywhere. I know a lot of people were talking about Walmart yesterday, and I was like, you know what? I'm not trading Walmart. I'm just not doing it. But Walmart, their EPS came in at 620, 635. Same store sales increased by 5 to 6%. But for me, Walmart is just not really that interesting of a trade. Sure, it did break out from the 40s, but I mean, it's just you have to be really patient. Maybe I think Walmart might be good for people that are swing trading, that have jobs, that can be very patient. For what I'm doing right now and the small account challenge and all that, I mean, Walmart's not a great stock to. It's just not a great stock to really day trade. Let's see what McDonald's doing. I had some good trades on McDonald's a couple weeks ago before it took a drop. Yeah, really, this McDonald's ripped this week. McDonald's would have been a good trade yesterday. I traded back in mid-June. I traded this spike here, and then I was waiting to see what it wanted to do here, but it looks like it wants to take off again. Kind of consolidated here for the first week of August, and then the thing that I noticed about McDonald's, like I don't normally trade it, but like the options are priced pretty well, and they expand once McDonald's decides to move here, which it does look like it's going to be even today. I mean, it even looks like pretty strong right now. Not really going anywhere, even though we're having a bit of a tumble right now. SPY right now, 444. We close at 447, just about 446.97. What do you guys think? I mean, the drops. I mean, haven't even been that bad. I mean, the bad drops. I mean, if you look, I mean, we're on a straight up incline here. The bad drops every time touch the 50-day and rip. Touch the 50-day and rip. So I mean, ideally, like if you're thinking like, okay, we're gonna have like a bad drop like we did in July, we haven't had a single drop on SPY really yet in August. And if it does, I mean, worst case, maybe 432, 430 area before another rip up, you know? I mean, I know like the individual stocks don't really are mapping up with how SPY, like the Qs. Now, Qs literally have been stuck here at, 368, 369. They have not been able to pass whatever, for some reason, have not been able to pass. They've been consolidating. Maybe it's going to launch out to outer space, but right now it's at 366. Could come down to 360, 357 area. I mean, yesterday. I mean, do you guys think we're going to retest yesterday's lows? Tricky part is intraday quick reversals both directions. Yeah, I mean, yesterday I traded Boeing, I traded AMC. I don't know if I'm going to trade Boeing or AMC today. Let's see, Dow had a like basically like an instant recovery and a rip yesterday. I mean, this was the drop right in here yesterday morning on Dow, and then it just kept going. I mean, we could retest the lows here. Yeah, I mean, I would agree. It's a little tricky. Boeing 226. Yeah, I mean, 225, 226, it's been bouncing in this area. So we bounced here on August 3rd, ripped to 240, doing another retest now. The 220s, lower 220s, it's been bouncing. Obviously, we do have the 200-day moving average here. So a lot of algos are going to be triggered. Man, day 87 of a cough, not annoying at all. If you guys want some excitement, some laughter. So Michael Burry is shorting ARK. And, Cathie Wood basically came out today saying, Michael Burry made a great call on fundamentals and recognized the calamity brewing in the housing and mortgage market. I do not believe that he understands the fundamentals that are creating explosive growth and investment opportunities in the investment space, innovation space. Sorry. One thing that I did point out in the Discord this morning was I don't think Michael Burry is betting against technology or the future of technology. Cathie has a very wide look on the future. I think what Michael Burry is betting against is he potentially sees a bubble in what she's holding and thinks that it is overvalued. And we can see a lot of that stuff. If we look at some of these stocks, going back, looking at PLTR hit at 45, is now at 24. I mean, sure, it could rip, but Coin 429, 400, now 256. I mean, obviously this was an IPO, but she loaded the boat on. Robinhood, she loaded the boat on too, coming down. I mean, the thing is, like, when you're trading, two traders might be right with total opposite outlooks, but if your time frames are different, like if, Cathie's playing the 20-year game and Michael Burry's just playing a few years out, of course, why would you not be bullish on technology 20 years out? I mean, look at what we've done since the early 2000s into 2021. I mean, it's incredible. It's incredible. And now in 2021 to 2041, I mean, technology is not going to get worse, right? So I do agree with Cathie. I mean, obviously technology is going to be evolving and at a rapid pace. But Michael Burry, I think he's seeing an opportunity that these stocks are there's a bubble, not just overvalued. I don't think he's going for just overvalued. I think he's going for bubble, pop. I think that's what he's looking for. But, we don't know. We don't know. We'll see. We can only estimate. Pop into the downside. Yeah, Carmine, what's going on, bro? How we doing? How we doing this morning? How's everyone been doing the last couple of weeks? I mean, I know it's been some, tough trading, it's been kind of hard for finding some good opportunities. We're range bound. You think we're gonna go somewhere and get smacked down? I mean, that's why I literally been in trades for just a couple minutes and then I leave. Alibaba's 176 this morning. And we definitely wish I bought some of these 175 puts here. They were going for 90 cents, but I'm not swinging in this account right now. So right now the account, the 1K account challenge account, profit year to date. So this is gonna be my 5th day trading. So in 4 days, made 104 profit, $86 after fees. So the account is up 8.6% basically on 4 trading days, and one of those days was red. So see what we can do. Let's see this week can get to the 10% threshold this week would be great. Once you think the clap is awful, comes back. It's back. So that's kind of where with the challenge account right now. This is where we're currently sitting. So positive $86 in cash. So let's see if we can add to it. And again, I'm at open. I'm gonna be patient, just kind of look for opportunities, scan the market, see what we can do. Not looking to get greedy. Facebook coming back down. I am interested in Facebook. Let's see. 360s. So I am interested in Facebook here only because. So yesterday, came down to 356, got bought back up. It's been getting bought in this area. The question is, are they going to try to flush these traders out? Because there's a lot of traders like me that would probably buy this. I'm not going to buy it today until I get some confirmation. I'm not going in. And the market's not really a place that you can go right now and just be like, I'm gonna hope. You really need confirmation. You really need that confirmation that this trade is gonna work. And meets your criteria. Tesla's getting hurt too. Tesla's down 673 right now. I mean, I think 650 retest is pretty likely. I mean, 660, 650 area. I think it wants to retest this zone right in here. Implied volatility, I mean, ticked up a little bit, but nothing crazy. All right, market just open. So we have right now at market open, S&P's down 29, Dow's down 270, Nasdaq is down 130. So let's see what it does. I'm gonna wait for price to settle a little bit. Try to find me a couple dollars in this market. Yo, Max, what's going on, man? How you doing? How are we doing? Taliban's going to hold their first press conference today. I don't know what that means. What kind of press are over there? I don't know. Weird stuff. Some weird stuff going on. So Nasdaq's been flirting with 15K for a while now. It just broke through it like nothing right now. Yo, if AMC can go like 37, I might short it. I might short it. If AMC can go 37, might short it, but here doesn't look terrible either, but let me look. Let me look. AMC. Yeah, I mean 37? I don't know if it can do it. It might. Who's like the question is who's pumping this? Like this is looking bad. Let's see. Lyft's down another $1 today. Lyft is getting beat up last couple days. I'm interested to see what's going to happen here on Facebook. I think I should restart Thinkorswim. That seemed to work last week. Let me hold on. Let me restart Thinkorswim here because that seemed to work yesterday. Pretty good. Hold on. Just restarting my setup here. What's going on? It won't even close. It's saying saving configuration. What are you guys trading today? What are you looking at? All right, closed up. Let me turn the sound down. What are you guys trading? You guys didn't swing calls, did you? Please say no. Please say no. All right, Thinkorswim's just opening back up here. All right, looks like the market's getting a little bit of a bounce now. Okay, we back. Yeah, Nasdaq back above 15K. Pivot here on Facebook. That's what I was looking at here. Pivot here on Facebook. I'm not going in. I'm not going to go in for another 10, 20 minutes. I'm just kind of, seeing what to do. Seeing what to do. What about Microsoft? Microsoft's been strong. Facebook and Microsoft. Apple too. mRNA. Yeah, I'm not going to trade that though. I guess you could. I don't know. Let's see. How much are these going for? Yeah, I mean for the small account, a little bit too rich. Yeah, a little bit too rich on the small account. It's nice though. It's a nice setup. But too rich. Let's see, how much are these? Yeah, these puts, these 170s, these 175s, 270%. Wait for support and use the first 30 minutes to find relative strength. That's what we're doing. When things are dicey, just gotta go slow. Tez, what's going on, man? You go BAC, trading BAC. Yeah, these BABA puts really lit up. It's nice. Would have made an amazing swing for somebody. Bank of America. The banks overall banks right now. I mean, it's resting here on this 10 on a 9-day EMA. It's trying to bounce. JP Morgan. See, it's like this situation on JP Morgan, what you can do could potentially short this. But you got, I mean, the main thing that I'm concerned about now is the bounce. I mean, look at NASDAQ. Are these gonna bounce? Let's see if this is holding right now. Right now it's currently holding 10-day moving average. So the question is, are we gonna get a bounce or are we gonna stay here? I'm not trying to rush into anything. Let's see, AMD's trying to go. AMC might hit 37. AMC just might do it. We'll see. I'm gonna try if AMC can show some weakness. I think I might try it. But not yet. What I don't like what's been happening is you get these like rips, like it's been happening in Nvidia and Facebook yesterday and stuff. Like you get these massive rips to the upside like this, and then immediately gets smacked down. It doesn't give you like time to get in. It'll be really quick. And I haven't been trading that that quick. Right, Apple's pushing 150 right now. Yeah, Apple. So I'm just looking for a good setup here. Neo's down. Yeah, Neo is pushing. It's gonna be interesting. This is interesting price action to me because we have some stuff trying to push, but so there's some buyers here, but what's it gonna do? I'm not gonna trade Neo either. Let's see what our boy Boeing is doing. Man, it is hurt. Boeing. These are up. The puts are up 100%. $4 gap down. 225s lit. And Amazon's down 1%. It's not looking good. We'll see. We'll see if we can get a bounce here. But right now, I'm not trying to rush into anything. 10% on mRNA. Nice. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to trade. I mean, mRNA, yeah, I just looked at it. It was 370. Now it's 380s. This is crazy. Yeah, like I'm trying not to go like on the challenge account. I'm trying not to go like too far out of the money. You know, I'm really trying to stick in the 30 delta range. 30 delta range has been, you know, pretty decent for in terms of risk reward, but you have to find the right stock to do it in. For this size account, you can't just trade anything. See what the big boys are doing at Google. All right, AMC, let's see. See AMC showing a little bit of weakness here. I mean, looking a little bit bullish here on the on the daily. Let's see what we can get. The 35 puts are going for 130-ish right now. 35. I feel like it might. Some resistance here. mRNA was 27 Delta. What did you pay for them? I tried to short AMC yesterday, and, you know, I shorted AMC when it looked like it was going to break down here, and it shot up, and I barely got out with a profit. I got out with a small profit, you know. Potential double top here. NASDAQ is ripping. This is some crazy action. Yeah, Apple's 151.40 right now. I'm just gonna be a little bit more patient. Like, I do want to short this here on AMC, but the way AMC's been going, I mean, just try to avoid trouble. Now these are going for. Now these are going right now for 120s. It's 35s. Yeah, potentially could short this here. All right. Still chilling. Still chilling. What's your best strategy for swing trading options? I mean, I'm a support and resistance trader, so I'm always buying support, shorting resistance. That's just the way I go about things, you know. Let's see what this candle does in AMC here. Could short it and get stopped out at 37 stop, 37.25 maybe. It's looking strong though for a short. The bull flag right here on the 1 minute chart. What time frames do you do? So like when I'm swing trading, Carmine, I'm mostly concentrating on the daily. Right now for day trading, I'm focusing on the 5 minute and the 15 minute chart. All right, we did tap 37 on AMC. This was the dangerous thing about AMC was a a red to green reversal here. I mean, if it clears this area, I mean 38, 39 definitely easy targets. It's pushing off these lows, and that's why sometimes when you're patient, like I've been patient, you miss a lot of opportunity. But in times like this, like me shorting that, I would have got hurt right here. Now those 35 calls, if you look at those 35 calls, are going for $1.08. I mean, I'd be down $60 right now. I mean, sure, I would have had a stop loss and stuff, but AMC looking like a bull. All right, so AMC's coming up here. It's where it got rejected on August 10th. If it could break this, I mean, this could potentially go a little bit here. But it's at resistance here. So it's fighting a little bit. So last time it came from 36, came all the way down to 30. Travel stocks, train stocks, home improvement builders, all soft. Yeah. LLY. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to short AMC. Looks like AMC's up 5% now. This is crazy. But we avoided a disaster there. We'll see. Maybe we can get a fade. Maybe we can get a fade on AMC in a little bit. We'll see. Qs are trying to push up here. Below the 10-day moving average though. Let's see, could it get bought up to 368? I'll keep an eye on AMC right here. Just be a little bit more patient. Might need to wait another 10 minutes to kind of see. They've been, at these opens, they've been really sucking people in and then just yanking them. They just been flushing them. AMC spike. I want to short AMC so bad. All right, I think I'll go in small AMC 2 contracts maybe. All right, I went in small AMC 2 contracts. Got a fill here for 113. So might, I wanted to short in the 30. I wanted to short in the 37 area. It cost 113, so we'll see. See what happens. We'll see what happens here. Could definitely go against me. I mean, I'm not looking for it to crater. I'm just looking for it to just pop back down a little bit here. I'll close one at, I'll put an order in to close one at 10%. Close one at 10%. We'll see here. We'll see here it is at 37.50 here. Is this going to be a bull trap or a bear trap? What's the what? Bears just got ripped a new one though. Nasdaq doing some bad things. All right, currently up 3% on this position, just chilling. See what it does. I mean, if it makes a run to 38, gonna get out. Let's see if we can get it to come down a little bit. Back down to 36 would be ideal. Man, Nasdaq is getting clapped again. Double top right here on the 15-minute. Up 1% on AMC right now. It's not going down. We'll see. We come back down to 36 would be nice. Close it out. Just looking for a little bit here. See, unlike yesterday, so this time, like yesterday I was shorting at the lows, which didn't work. This time I'm shorting at the highs. Let's see if this doesn't work. I mean, oh man, Nasdaq. Wow. Facebook getting clapped. Come on down, AMC. Give us one candle. One candle. I mean, the other thing is I got a decent price for these. I don't feel like I overpaid, so you're able to when you don't overpay, you can withstand a little bit more pain. Right now I'm break even on these right now. Kind of coasting between break even, red and green right now on these contracts, so we'll see. I mean, AMC could rip here. Absolutely. But that's the thing, like you never really know. You just have to understand the risk that you're in and act accordingly. Just, if it goes against you, just know when to get out. Could definitely cause some problems here. GM is popping down, good short. And Nasdaq is getting wrecked. What's SPY doing? Oh man, SPY's coming down. Q's. All right, let's see if AMC will work. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm trying to short it. That red to green reversal. Drop it. Someone's liking AMC this morning. All right. Let's sell one contract 10% and then kind of go, because it's kind of dicey. All right, one contract I just sold. I sold one contract for 10%, holding on to one contract right now, locked in a little bit of gains. Also locking in some gains, lower my risk. And sure, we're not making a lot of money here, but I mean we're on a small account, so we're gonna see what to do. Up 9% of this contract. Let's see if we can get it. Give me the flush. I'm not too, like, if my confidence starts to wane a little bit on a trade, I just kind of get out. I'm just going to get out. All right. I got out. Small gain on this one. I don't like I mean, this could definitely rip up and have another leg up here. Sucked out only 17 bucks. So sold the one at 10%, sold another one at like 5%. You know, I don't like it. And again, like, if you're starting to feel uncomfortable about a trade, just, you know, you don't have to hold on to it. It's okay. Who cares? Find another trade. Like, I just feel like it's just too strong. All right, so made some small gains, so I need to find another trade here. So we're not doing terrible, minimizing risk, taking in a little bit. But the good news is this. So on day 5, just crossed over 10% in realized gains after fees. So that's nice. So see if we can hold on to that. The main thing is keep compounding. I mean, I'm on day 5. The overall account is up 10%, even though I'm only trading like 20 to 30% of the account at a time. So I'm only putting on trades $200 to $300 at a time and compounding that. And now the account is up overall. The overall balance is up 10% after fees. That's the goal. Just keep compounding. I might go grab some more coffee while we wait for this next trade to. Watch, I'll go get coffee. This thing will flush down to 35. And be like, oh, I missed $200. All right, I'm gonna go get some more coffee. I will be right. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. We're back. All right, good thing I got out of this. I mean, this, like, AMC. I don't like going along AMC, but you got a bull flag formation here. Whew. All right, need to find me a new trade. See here. Q's. Man, almost came back down to the lows from yesterday. Jeez. They're mentioning Roku in the Discord. I think Roku's going to be a little bit too rich for my blood for this account. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna. I'm really trying to be able on the challenge account, be able to afford 2 contracts at least, without risking more than 20 to 30% of the account at one time. I don't want to risk up 40 or 50% of the account because you get one bad trade, wipes out all the work that I've been doing over the past few days. You don't want that. Like the worst thing is to put in the work and then get wiped out on one trade. It's gonna keep putting the work in. How does KR look? Let's see, bro. Let's see what's going on. Man, it ripped. I don't know. How is their... Actually, their options are not bad. I remember Kroger, their options were kind of shaky. Yeah, I mean, all-time highs, bro. You mean, at this point, you're kind of chasing, but could definitely go higher. I mean, I wouldn't put a position on here if it were me, but... Let's see what our boy Boeing is doing. And if you guys haven't noticed, like every day I pretty much trade like the same stocks, day in, day out. Trying to find, let's see what Home Depot. Yeah, 223 on Boeing. Oof. Let's see here. Did we get a premium crush yet on Home Depot? No premium crush on Home Depot after earnings yet. So that means I'm going to be overpaying a little bit here. You could buy the 315 puts, but does it have more to go? I mean, we're under the 50-day moving average. Not the best. Tesla's 664 right now. DoorDash popped up. Now, the problem with DoorDash is not very liquid. DoorDash popped up quick. Probably on the COVID fears or whatever. Yeah, AMC looking bullish. I mean, it's kind of getting topped out here, but I think I'm done with it today. If you play with fire, eventually you're gonna get burned, and that's what I don't want to happen. I mean, yesterday I barely got out of there alive, and today, I mean, it looks like it might. I don't know. It's kind of 50-50. When the odds in the trade start like stacking against you, or it becomes like a 50-50 trade, I like to have more odds than 50-50. I would definitely. But it's kind of hard to say. Like, are we gonna bounce here or are we gonna dip more? SPY literally is at the 10-day right now. On the 1-day yearly chart, on the daily chart. It's resting on the 9 EMA. How you guys been liking these type of streams, like the live trading type of streams that I've been doing versus like news based streams, you know? Good, not good? Let me know. Let's see what happens here if it can make a push to 444.50 on SPY. Man, Nvidia got. I do enjoy trading Nvidia, but like it's tough to day trade it right now. Sitting at the 50-day on Nvidia. If it breaks this, I mean, it could go 180 quick, but I mean, so like when I'm shorting right now or stuff like that, I'm not feeling like bullish or bearish right now. I'm just trying to pick a side that gives me the most advantage, you know? And right now, bears are winning right now. I mean, it could change. Like yesterday, it changed intraday. It could change, but see right now, like if you look at AMC right here, I mean, you got a bull flag. But if it breaks down, it could break down and flush. But I don't think I'm gonna trade it. Yo, Sergio's good. Definitely agree with compounding when you have a small account. Yep. Teaches us Carmine. Yeah, just trying to help. You know, I mean this. You know, right now trading. The way trading goes, especially like when you're running like a channel or public facing, you know, whatever you want to call it, you know, whatever I'm doing here is very public, right? And you get a lot of people that when the market is just like very easy and just moving, right? Like, big trouble. People think that the market's easy money, but then when you have like days like today or like last week where it's like finding a needle in the haystack, that's when they realize that most of them, I mean, 95% of those people, they quit. They're like, oh, I thought this was easy, but it's hard. This is hard work. And like to get to be able to spot these plays, you need a lot of screen time. You need to take time. You need to understand also how your mind and emotions work. And that's why like in the UVH Academy, I spend a lot of time on, you know, mindset and motivation, because that's where you make or break as a trader is mindset, emotions. Why are you doing this? And I found out like, you can look at, you can know all the patterns and do all the stuff, but the person that's causing you to lose is yourself most times. Like most times when I lost on a trade is because I did it to myself. Like, oh, I didn't obey my rules. I thought I could get more. I thought, and then, you know, your account slips away from you. So that's why I thought, okay, well, maybe with a small account challenge, we can just start small, see how we scale up. Just take our time. Facebook breaking to the downside. Can I catch a few here? Am I too late? Better not try. I feel like I could try it from 362 to 360. It's strong. It's strong here though. Like there's always buyers here. There's always buyers right here. I'm not finding the setup that I love. Yo, if AMC taps 40 though, I'll reshort it. No joke. If AMC taps 40, I'll try to. I mean, granted, if it looks like it's gonna short, but can you draw that bull flag? Yeah. Let me see if my drawing tool's working here. Why is my drawing tool like not working? Hold on, let me. Why is this not working? Hold on. Let me start it back up. Hold on, let me draw it for you. All right, let's see. All right, so here we go. So kind of sloppy, Carmine, but here we are. We got a bull flag. Now, obviously, if it breaks, let's say 36.25, probably going to go short. Breaks 37.50, going to break to the upside. So in here, you know, you could buy here if you're feeling bullish, or you could short here if you're feeling bearish, but just know 50-50, and this is a bull flag, so more likely going up. But, you know, any trade could go against you, but that's why you kind of have to use proper risk management. And again, yeah, good thing, you know, shorting the lows have been a very bad idea. But AMC, if AMC can break 37.50, 38.39, definitely not out of question today. It's like, well, why don't you want to go long? I don't like going long AMC. That's it. So when I'm looking at a stock, I'm just looking for a short position on AMC. I'm not looking to go long. I'm sure I could go long here, but I'm honestly just not. I don't like to go long. I've made a lot of money shorting AMC, and I'd like to keep it that way. You know, like. These like slow bleed down are tough. All right, let's see. Apple 150, playing with 150 here. Trying to make a run to 150, 150. Got rejected. Could be a play here. Could short Apple here. Looks steady. Come down to 148. Apple down to 148. Close that. Thing is, like, Apple's been so strong, you know, but there's a short opportunity here. I mean, shorting does not come natural to me. But sometimes that's what's in play, you know. But you could, you know, long or short, you could definitely get wrecked. I mean, maybe short buy the 150 put, stop out at 150.75. The problem is here, if you look at like the NASDAQ, it could instantly reverse and you get wrecked. Or it could have another leg down. Facebook selling. Let's see, Microsoft. I don't know. Microsoft's not looking great. Yeah, Apple looks like a potential short here. So we had a high. If we had a high here, 151.60, high here at 150.60, potentially hit these lows, but you know, you get to these lows like 149.30, pop right up to 151. Yo, it's tricky. It's tricky for sure. All right, maybe I'll buy 2 of the 149s. Buy 2 of the 149s. If it goes to 150.80, get out. I just don't like that. We're like grinding down here. I mean, I guess it just feels like it could bounce here. I mean, I don't love it. I'm checking the 15-minute chart. You can't see it's down in this corner here. I'm checking the 15-minute chart right here. I mean, I guess I could close it out if it goes to 150.70. Close it out. All right, I'm gonna try it. All right, I'm in 2 contracts right now. 149s puts on Apple. Goes to 150.75, get out. Goes against me. Kind of see if it goes 150.75, 150.70, I'll get out. 150.70, I'll get out. Take the L. If we can get a down move to 149.40, 149.50, start peeling off. Let's see, it's kind of high flyer Roblox on a big gap down. We'll see. We'll see if we can get. Let's see if we can get this Apple trade. I don't know. It's kind of dicey. Might come back up here, test 150.40. But if it can't hang on to 150, I mean, I like my chances. Break the 150, Apple. Come on down. See, if it doesn't work, you know, it doesn't work. You know, that's the thing. I'm thinking Apple's going to retest these lows here. I'm up 4% right now. Needs to stay below 150, and my chances will increase greatly. Below 150, we good. give me a quick dip down to the lows of the day, and we will be done, baby. Quick dip, quick dip. NASDAQ is kind of chilling. Up 6% right now. Give me that one trade, baby. Yo, Carmine, nice job, bro. I don't like the rate that it's moving here. We're moving slow. Done for the day. Bank of America, 30%. Yo, nice job, man. Yeah, I'm just trying to get this Apple trade, and I'll be good. Good trading session. Take care, man. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to get this Apple buzz. It's fighting. Apple's fighting. As you can see here, AMC's trying to break out too. Are the bulls stepping in, or what's the deal here? All right, I'm down 2% on this trade right now. We'll see. We'll see if it can hold this area here. But looks like bulls might want to fight here. I mean, it's still descending. We'll see. Yeah, AMC might really do 38 right now. Facebook's trying to fight a little bit too at the lows. I mean, are we just taking the stairs down? But it looks like Apple wants to defend 150. Just making a push. See what happens. The 15 minute on Apple. If it goes 150, if it goes 150 70, I'll take the L. It's just like right around here. NASDAQ warming up. Might be taking an L here. NASDAQ back to 15K. So right now down 10% on the position. Yeah, NASDAQ looks like it wants to play here, but we'll see if we could break this, then we're wrong on the trade. And if not, we'll see. We'll see. As you can see, like this is choppy. So it's pushing up, flush down, pushing up, flush down, pushing up. So kind of see what happens. If it's going to break the trend here, it's just going to push up. We'll get ready to close the trade out though, as it looks like it's trying to make the reversal here just to be on the safe side. Facebook's pushing, but yeah, Apple just pushed. 50 cents here. Yeah, definitely dicey. Well, this might be my first L since last Monday. I haven't had a losing trade since last Monday. Which, I mean, it happens. All right, it's almost tagging my stops here. So I'm down right now on this position, 19%. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. Might need it back under 150.40. Feel a bit more comfortable about the trade, but it's all good. But kind of choppy. I mean, it's definitely difficult when we're having this kind of price action. All right, new candle just opened up on the 5-minute. We'll see what this one brings here. It's back up here where it got rejected last time, so we'll see. Hold on, Carmine. I'm in a trade right now. Might get wrecked. Like when I'm in a trade, I'm just concentrating on this trade. Making sure, because like, let's say this thing flies all the way up. You don't want to be, looks like we're following NASDAQ here on Apple. Carmine, as you can see, AMC is starting to break out of that bull flag. Just kind of testing the upper side of it. So Apple, what are you doing? Are you baiting people? Right now it's going sideways. So as you can see, like one of the dangerous things that you want to avoid here is getting trapped in these type of situations where, you're in this box. But that's why if it breaks to the upside of this box, I'm going to get out. I thought we were going to maybe test the 149.40 here, which is why I didn't close my trade. But all good. All good. You can't predict the market. You can only reduce your risk. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pop out of this, take the L. Get my order ready. Not looking good if you're short. All right, I got out. Yeah, not good. Lost 25% on that trade there. So, situation here, 1-1, lost one, kind of choppy. So, I don't know if I'm going to do another trade or not. We'll see. Welcome to trading. But no point in sticking around in Apple, shorting Apple, because it looked like it might rip to the upside. Might not. I mean, you never know, but I don't want to get wrecked. Small count, small count you got to preserve. But right now on the day, I'm down $31. So that Apple trade put me to the red. So got to see. Got to see if there's another opportunity here. mRNA, 400. Yeah, I guess you could have bought. I could have bought the 400. What were these going for? Let's see. Let's see here. Carmine. The 400 calls hit a low of $1.76. Now going for 12, 14. Yeah, me and pharma don't get along. All right, so let's see if we can do another trade here, kind of recover. Kind of a slow day now. I mean, we're not going anywhere. All right, so Carmine, AMC broke out of the bull flag. Tapping 38, like we said. Let's see here. What other opportunities do we have today? It's like see what Home Depot's doing. Home Depot's dead. Yeah, Home Depot's below the 50-day moving average now. Yeah, it's ripping to the upside. So, I mean, I stuck to my stop. I got out. That's all we can do. Yeah, on a small account to lose $48 is not good. Not ideal. You know? Like the thing is, like the later in the day that it gets, the less opportunity sometimes that you have. I mean, it looks like we're making a recovery. I mean, I'm glad I got out of Apple. Apple's moving right now, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, I don't like, NASDAQ is coming back to where it opened at. So it's right now. We'll see what happens. What is the smallest stuff that you would want to trade in this account? Probably Carmine, probably 20. I don't like going less than 20 delta, like, ever. So if I don't find another trade, could chalk this up to a red day and, try again tomorrow. Yeah, AMC's pushing 39 now. JD breaking out. I could buy Alibaba here. Let's see, Alibaba. Premiums are kind of rich for this account. Also, you got to keep an eye on how much money you've spent, like on a cash account. So far, spent like $220 here. Plus, I spent almost $460 today. So I have about $500 left to. I have $500 left to trade with. Because you can't go beyond the amount of cash that you have. Yeah, there goes AMC. I mean, if this wasn't Alibaba, I'd buy this chart right here. I would buy this right here. But it is Alibaba. So market looks like it wants to heat up a little bit here. I don't like that. I don't like that. On SPY. Yeah. Nvidia. That's Amazon. Nvidia would have been nice off the lows there. Same with AMD. I guess for Apple, I probably should have been more patient instead of looking for a short position, look for a long position. Because there's some really great long positions here that were forming while I was trading Apple short. I mean, NASDAQ's still down 100, Dow's still down 300, and S&Ps are still down 28, so it's not like we're out of the woods yet. That's kind of why I was leaning short. I mean, I don't know if we're going to get a full recovery. I mean, AMD went green. Some of these tickers are started green. Roku turned green here. AMD's green. Domino's is green. Domino's actually looks like some good consolidation down here. But I don't think this is something I want to trade on my account here. Yeah, the 525s. 525s going for $1.80. But you don't know if it's going to break out a consolidation. Like maybe if it goes like 519, you could maybe trade it to 525 calls. But Domino's is tough because it's pretty low volume. I don't know. Maybe I could try to play Facebook long. If Facebook can... I don't know if Facebook's going to reverse. I mean, I would go long here, but normally. But these charts are kind of... Let's see how much Facebook's going for. So the 365s are going for 220-ish. So NASDAQ is ripping. That's a 40 delta. Maybe I'll go to the 367.50s. 29 delta, Facebook. I'm going to try it. All right, I'm in Facebook right now. I'm in the 367.50s Facebook. So see if we can get a push up here. NASDAQ is flying. Apple's flying to the upside. See if we can get Facebook to push. 364.50 would be nice. Would be nice. 364.50. Kind of break. Come on, try to break it. PayPal, PYPL. Call that a bull flag. No, this is a PayPal. No. Josh, you got Facebook on your watch list? Let's see. All right, let's see what Facebook's going to do here. Come on, baby. All right, so kind of going over what we're doing here. AMC had a small win. Apple lost 23% or so. 48 bones, bro. That's bad. And then Facebook currently up 7%. So I'm trying to see if we can get a run up here to 364.50. 364.50. We'll close the day out to the green and leave. Give me my money. Just give me one candle. That's all we're asking. Just one candle, one nice push. That's all we're looking for right here. One candle on Facebook. Like Nas. All I need is one mic. Well, all we need is one candle right here. All we need is one candle. Don't quit on me now, NASDAQ. Don't quit on me now. Don't do it. Don't do it, NASDAQ. Let's go. Let's go. It's kind of getting a little dicey here. It's getting a little dicey here. Come on. Is this gonna be like a repeat of yesterday where they recover? Or I mean, today's looking a little bit more dicey though. Yesterday was dicey down in this area too, like down in. Okay, 150. Man, they're not gonna do it. Tough day. All right, I'm back to break even on Facebook. See if it holds this here. Facebook's a little bit choppy, but I think it could hit I think it could try to hit 364 again, but consolidate, try to make a push higher, but I don't know. Some weird candle. I mean, it came down to 362, popped up to 363.40. Now I'm making a push lower. Some crazy wicks right in here. Secure the bag. Yeah, I mean, I'm just waiting to see here. It's definitely dicey. You gotta it's gotta break out here. I mean, the odds are pretty good here, but you never know. I mean, I don't know if we're getting market cooperation or not. Okay, come on. There you go, NASDAQ. Let's go. Let's go. Wake up. Man, they just keep slamming it. I mean, I think it could do it, but market's not cooperating. Probably should go. I think it could do it, but tough day, guys. Tough day. I mean, we're not getting like any continuation here. I'm just gonna close it out. All right, I close out Facebook break even. I mean, so I just closed out Facebook break even. Bought them for 150, sold them for 150. It's just not happening today. I mean, it's so down $31 on the day. I mean, maybe Facebook's going to run. I don't know. It's really dicey in here. Today you're just not getting like the continuation that you want to see. Now it's going to pop up. I just didn't like they were like they were crushing those premiums. Like, I don't like that NASDAQ is getting stopped out here. I mean, I do like this setup. AMC tapped 38.78 and dropped to a buck. Yeah, I think I might just chalk it up as a red day. I mean, that's all we can do. Did 3 trades today. 1 break even, 1 small gain, and then I had a $48 loss on Apple. There's Facebook now. That's what I was looking for. I just didn't like, I was starting to feel uncomfortable because this could easily, what you want to avoid. So let's say, I was looking at this potential double top here on NASDAQ. This could have flushed back down to 361.50. Could have the double loss, but I was looking for a candle like this to push it up to 364 area. Yeah, those are going for 172 now. Would have been good. Hey, all good. That's sometimes that's what happens. This is part of trading, so part of the process. So I'm going to call it a day here, guys. I'm going to jump off here. I've been trading for about 2 hours, treading water, down $31. Not career ending. Still green on the small account, which is good, but you don't want to put yourself in a situation where Facebook, I think, is going to work out, but we'll see what happens. So I'm going to sign off. You guys have a great day. Stay safe. Stay green. It's us versus Herd.